The idea was the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means the whole world is one family. The people of different part of the world cannot even imagine and cannot think about it. The first sentence itself, the sisters and brothers of America, it gives the clear notion that anybody who is in any part of this world, they are accepted by the Indians as their own brothers and sisters, and that is the greatest example of secularism. That is the greatest example of total acceptance and tolerance which is given by Swami Vivekananda. He has explained to the people of the world that it is India who has accepted the whole world as Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The meaning is the whole world is a small family. And we Indian accept the people of the whole world as one small family. After that, he has started discussing and talking about the philosophy of our Upanishad, the thoughts given by the Upanishad by our great saint of India. They were the great scholars of that time. What they have thought at that time, 5,000 years before, what the great saint of India has thought, even this great scholar of the world, when they go through those stanzas, those sentences, they get shocked and surprised to understand the intellect level, the thought level, the purity of thoughts, the quality of thought of the Indian people, the Indian saint, the Indian scholars. When he explained the people that our ideas is Sarve Bhavanti Sukhina, Sarve Shantu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kashduk Bhabhave. This is the stanza from the Upanishad. That, O Lord, please make everybody in this world happy. O Lord, please give peace to each and every individual of the world. Sarve Bhavanti Sukhina. सभी लोग सुखी हो यहाँ पर. सर्वे शांतु निरामय, ये शांति सभी लोगों के बीच में शांति हो, सभी का अच्छा हो, सभी का भला हो. Nowhere in this world you will find this kind of notion. Nowhere in this world you will find this kind of thought anybody has said. So it was a shocking experience for all the scholars of the world. They were present in that Parliament of Religion at Chicago. Swamiji introduced India as a unique kind of country. Swamiji introduced first time in the platform, international platform, that India is a country with a unique kind of values. India is a country with a unique kind of culture. India is a country with a unique kind of traditions, which is totally different from the world. You may have developed technically, you may have developed externally, you may have become very, very rich from the technical point of view as far as from the material point of view. But if you look at deeper and deeper in India, you will understand the richness of innermost core of the Indian people are much and much higher than in any part of the world. We have become very, very rich from inside, and inside richness is always more valuable, more important than any kind of material richness. This is what the first time a great saint of our country, India, had introduced to the people of the whole world, that look, we Indians are different. There is no question of comparison. He has not made a comparison too, but he has told what I am, what we are. And he has introduced India in such a way that in each and every part of the world, people started respecting the India and the Indians, and started looking at the Indians from the different point of view. And that credit goes to Swami Vivekananda. And it was a great selection by the great master Ramakrishna Paramahansa. He knew the potential, he knew the quality of his disciple, that Swami Vivekananda is the right person, which I cannot express, he can express, because Ramakrishna Paramahansa was a very simple person from village. He had a great knowledge, depth, enlightened person, but he knew that I cannot be so much vocal as Swami Vivekananda can be, because he was student from the university, Calcutta University, with a postgraduate degree. So he had the spiritual knowledge at the same time of great speaking power, which shook the whole world and brought the thunder. And in every newspaper of the America, the headline was, "A great saint of India shook the world," and made the people spellbound. Even the great scholars of the America told that this one saint of India, Swami Vivekananda, his intelligence is equal to all the scholars together. If you sum up together all the scholars of America, Swami Vivekananda's intellect is much higher than the sum total of all the intellect of all the scholars of America. This is the greatest certificate. This is the greatest appreciation any Indian can get in the international conference. And even Rabindranath Tagore told, if you want to know India, you should know Swami Vivekananda. If you want to understand India, you should read Swami Vivekananda. And Sister Nivedita told, Swami Vivekananda is a condensed India. You can understand, if you want to understand the Indian culture, Indian traditions, Indian values, you have to study Swami Vivekananda. There is no other way out.